Hello, my dear English learners. Welcome to the Brave Voice English YouTube channel. I hope you are all happy, healthy, and excited to learn English with me today. Before we begin, I want you to remember one important thing. Your dream of speaking English fluently is possible. It does not matter where you live, how old you are, or how many mistakes you have made. Every great English speaker was once a beginner, just like you. In today's lesson, you will learn simple and powerful ways to improve your English speaking, pronunciation, vocabulary, and confidence. These lessons are easy to understand, easy to practice, and perfect for beginners who want to speak English more naturally. Learning English is not about being perfect. It is about practicing every day and never giving up. Every new word you learn, every sentence you speak, and every lesson you complete brings you one step closer to your goal. So, believe in yourself, enjoy the learning journey, and remember that small daily practice creates big success. Together, we will build your confidence and help you become a better English speaker, one lesson at a time. Now relax, stay positive, and let's begin today's amazing English lesson together. How to improve your English speaking. English is very important. Many people around the world speak English. If you can speak English well, you can talk to many people, make new friends, get a good bomb, and travel to different countries. So how can you improve your English speaking? First, you need to practice every day. Practice is very important. When you practice, you get better. You can practice with your friends, family, teacher, or alone. You can talk to yourself in English saying, "Hello, how are you?" "I am fine, thank you." This is a good way to start. Second, listen to English every day. Listening is also very important. When you listen, you learn new words, how to say the words, and how to make sentences. You can listen to English songs, watch English movies, listen to English radio, and watch English TV shows. You can also listen to people who speak English by going to places where people speak English, listening to them and learning. Third, read English books. Reading is very good for learning English. When you read, you learn new words and how to make sentences. You can read easy books, children's books, newspapers, magazines, and anything in English. When you read, you should read out loud. This will help you with your speaking. You can also read with a friend and read to each other. This is a good way to practice. Fourth, write in English. Writing is also good for learning English. When you write, you learn how to make sentences. You can write a diary in English. Write about your day, letters to your friends, emails, and stories. When you write, you should try to use new words. This will help you learn new words. Fifth, do not be afraid to make mistakes. Making mistakes is okay. Everyone makes mistakes. When you make a mistake, you learn. You can ask your teacher, friends, or family for help. They will help you and tell you how to say things correctly. Do not be shy. Speak English as much as you can. The more you speak, the better you will get. Sixth, think in English. This is very important. When you think in English, you will speak better. You can start with small things. For example, when you see a chair, you can think this is a chair. When you see a book, you can think this is a book. When you are hungry, you can think I am hungry. When you are tired, you can think I am tired. When you think in English, it will be easier to speak English. Seventh, learn new words every day. Learning new words is very important. When you know more words, you can say more things. You can use a dictionary to learn new words and write them in a notebook. You can try to use the new words in sentences. This will help you remember the new words. Eighth, speak slowly. When you speak slowly, it is easier to say the words correctly. It is also easier for people to understand you. Do not speak too fast. Take your time. Think about what you want to say and then say it slowly. Ninth, join an English class. Taking a class is very helpful. You can learn many things in an English class, such as new words and how to make sentences. You can practice speaking with your classmates and ask your teacher questions. Your teacher can help you with your speaking. 10th, have fun. Learning English should be fun. When you have fun, you will want to learn more. You can play games in English, sing songs in English, watch funny movies in English, and talk to your friends in English. When you have fun, you will learn better. 11th, use technology. Today we have many tools to help us learn English. You can use apps on your phone. Many apps can help you practice speaking English, learn new words, and work on pronunciation. You can also use the internet to find websites, watch videos on YouTube, and take online courses. Technology is very helpful for learning English. 12th, make English speaking friends. Having friends who speak English is very helpful. You can practice speaking with them, and they can help you with your mistakes and teach you new words. You can learn about their culture and how people speak English in different countries. Making friends who speak English can be very fun and helpful. 13th, watch English news. Watching the news is a good way to learn English. You can learn about what is happening in the world, new words, and how people speak in different situations. You can watch news on TV or the internet. Watching the news can help you improve your English. 14th, join an English-speaking club. Many places have clubs where people meet to speak English. You can join these clubs to meet new people, practice speaking with them, and learn from them. Joining an English-speaking club is a good way to practice and improve your English. 15th, travel to English-speaking countries. Traveling is a great way to improve your English. When you travel, you have to speak English. You have to talk to people in hotels, restaurants, and shops, ask for directions, and communicate with people. Traveling to English-speaking countries can be very fun and helpful. 16th, use flashcards. Flashcards are a good way to learn new words. You can make flashcards with new words. Write the word on one side and the meaning on the other side. You can look at the flashcards every day and practice saying the words. Flashcards are very helpful for learning new words. 17th, record yourself speaking. Recording yourself is a good way to practice. You can listen to yourself, hear your mistakes, and understand how you sound. You can practice saying the words correctly and ask your friends or teacher to listen to your recording. They can help you with your mistakes. Recording yourself is very helpful for improving your English. 18. Mimic native speakers. Mimicking is a good way to learn how to speak. You can listen to native speakers and try to speak like them. You can copy their pronunciation, intonation, and rhythm. Mimicking native speakers can help you sound more natural when you speak English. 19. Read aloud. Reading aloud is very helpful. When you read aloud, you practice speaking. You can hear how the words sound. Practice your pronunciation, intonation, and rhythm. Reading aloud is a good way to improve your speaking. 21st, practice with a partner. Having a partner to practice with is very helpful. You can practice speaking with your partner, help each other with mistakes, learn from each other, practice conversations, and practice asking and answering questions. Practicing with a partner is a good way to improve your English. 21st, use a mirror. Speaking in front of a mirror can help you. You can see yourself when you speak. See your mouth and how you say the words. You can practice your facial expressions and gestures. Using a mirror can help you improve your speaking. 22nd, participate in online forums. Online forums are a good place to practice English. You can join forums where people discuss different topics, read what other people write your own comments, ask questions, and answer questions. Participating in online forums can help you practice writing and improve your vocabulary. 23rd, write scripts for conversations. Writing scripts can help you prepare for conversations. You can write down what you want to say, write different responses, and practice the script by saying it out loud. Writing scripts can help you feel more confident when speaking. 24th, learn about different cultures. Learning about cultures can help you understand how people use English. You can learn about customs, traditions, how people greet each other, and how people talk in different situations. Learning about cultures can help you communicate better. 25th, set goals. Setting goals is very important. You should set small goals. For example, you can set a goal to learn 5 new words every day. Set a goal to practice speaking for 10 minutes every day, or set a goal to read 1 book every month. Setting goals can help you stay motivated. 26th, reward yourself. When you reach your goals, you should reward yourself. This can help you stay motivated. For example, if you learn 5 new words every day for a week, you can reward yourself with a treat. If you practice speaking every day for a month, you can reward yourself with something you like. Rewarding yourself can make learning English more fun. 27th, be patient. Learning a new language takes time. You need to be patient. You will not become fluent in one day. You need to practice every day and keep trying. You will make mistakes, and this is okay. Do not give up. Be patient and keep practicing. 28th, use English in your daily life. Try to use English as much as you can. You can write your shopping list in English, write your notes in English, talk to your pets in English, and think in English. Using English in your daily life will help you improve. 29th, find a language exchange partner. A language exchange partner is someone who wants to learn your language. You can help each other. You can speak in English for some time, then speak in your language. This way, both of you can learn. A language exchange partner can help you practice speaking and improve your English. 30th, join online language learning communities. Online communities are a great place to connect with other learners, ask questions, share resources, and practice English. Joining a community can give you additional support and motivation on your learning journey. There are many online communities where people learn languages. You can join these communities to meet people who want to learn English. You can practice speaking with them, ask questions, and share tips. Joining online language learning communities can be very helpful. 31st, take advantage of language exchange apps. There are apps specifically designed for language exchange where you can find partners who are native speakers of English. You can chat with them, voice call, or even video call to practice your speaking skills. These apps often have built-in tools for correcting each other's language, which can be very helpful. 32nd, practice pronunciation. Pay attention to how words are pronounced in English. English pronunciation can be tricky because some words are spelled similarly but pronounced differently. Practice saying words slowly and clearly and try to mimic the correct pronunciation you hear from native speakers. 33rd, learn common phrases and expressions. In addition to learning individual words, it's useful to learn common phrases and expressions that native speakers use in everyday conversations. This will make your speech more natural and fluent. 34th, immerse yourself in English media. Surround yourself with English language media such as movies, TV shows, podcasts, and music. Listening to native speakers in different contexts will help you understand various accents and improve your listening comprehension and speaking skills. 35th, take note of your progress. Keep track of your improvement in speaking English. Celebrate your achievements, whether big or small. Reflect on what you have learned and what areas you still need to work on. This will keep you motivated and focused on your goal of improving your English speaking. 36th, attend English speaking events and workshops. Look for opportunities in your community or online where you can participate in English speaking events or workshops. These events often provide structured practice sessions and opportunities to interact with fluent speakers. 37th, focus on fluency over accuracy. While it's important to speak correctly, especially in formal settings, prioritize fluency in everyday conversations. Don't worry too much about making occasional mistakes. The more you practice speaking, the more naturally fluent you will become. 38th, practice speaking in different situations. Try to practice speaking English in various situations, such as ordering food at a restaurant, making phone calls, or giving presentations. Each situation requires different language skills and will help you become more confident in using English. 39th, get feedback from native speakers. Seek feedback on your English speaking skills from native or fluent speakers. They can provide valuable insights into areas where you can improve, such as pronunciation, grammar, and vocabulary usage. 40, stay motivated and persistent. Learning a language takes time and effort. Stay committed to your goal of improving your English speaking skills. Set realistic expectations and be patient with yourself as you progress. In conclusion, improving your English speaking skills requires dedication and practice. Use these tips and strategies to enhance your language ability step by step. Remember, each small effort you make towards speaking English better will bring you closer to fluency. Keep practicing, keep learning, and enjoy the journey of mastering a new language. Thank you.